fancy Dr. Benjamin Otriankra say the senior lecturer na say PhD ni abeka ho dia afedi na senior there sir apart from PhD na the GSA promote university or okay to say we a lecturer when you senior lecturer okay chino akwa associate professor minyanka ka check be 2 years be kan ho a so constituency won wo kwaje city that's all kwaje city no very important very important
so yani MPs na ye adwuma obi anu ma ho na anam ne din koma agasa adwuma na efo
but no dey call you wait me aye
you mistake sorry I no pen kwa on the on fa from one constituency over the department Peka krama yana ba ku bia na metie se bakan okay me stress I was say MP no olifia na obi ba I say honorable I have a problem. No, so what's the problem? Say, all of a sudden my wife has given birth. So I need your assistance. And then all of a sudden now names on you. All of a sudden my wife has given birth. So I need your assistance. No on him no names on you.
Yeah, the time is so.
MPD no easy but yo nipa no bi so wa you mo fi parliament enye. Anytime I say prime minister so achievements about to campaign yeah be kwakoye. We will not get him out of parliament.
But there's something funny. We say enkankan say obi wo ha obi ti akonya no so. Obi fi baby no this ka be wudam na pan ye yin. Edu say ono so I was obi wo from so fi baby ba. I don't know can to jom.
I mean
easy. Say what parliament we ya juma committee we no we over na obi so to konso ono wote ho no we ba no a underground ni nyina
and maybe doctor be ko challenge ni ma ni nya 4 onya 4 ye bo anu ma ni nya 4 votes
ba won say o ko be say UK ni America bi mo carry o we bet me year number 30-40
yeah because you need the experienced brains
Nancy Pelosi she's been in parliament in the
almost 50 something
almost 40 something years.
Yes yeah. I mean we need the brains
the Kennedy family they do almost
because o say pa say
intina papa we omo yi na em ya pa yi lecture we dey bisa MPs no one kind of lecture one of the fine brains pa say ka say ye law
and only idea say intina say ye development in the MP share of the common yenjini na fi wo nsem le yama ye hu say MPs no omo kwahye mra na maye simple
say ade omo ti ase
Momo so binu so take advantage na me ba kwan na meye
enwan tini ye referendum ye be and the fact say be start elect MMDCs they start elect na man 40 as they are the development agents no ebema me kwan asem hospital nsem so be fear so kakra na so ya concentrate on there yes so ye ba yes ye be enti you may first
pressure we have been our foreign affairs minister very fantastic woman yeah I mean you see we
in fact if I don't see uncle
yeah that what was that stress will be go through e binu kwa ko bombe sia dia kwa campaign why
omo ko campaign na omo ani kan entu nipa ni trim say me ba me lobby me ba me ebia you try get somebody's help ba o ka say meye ohun say wa no asem so di ba bia na editia wo
and
normal any me ko kan normal mfi me
and doc every major platform no so no me campaigning the scheme of my party program enti say me kasa me not necessarily say me kotokum but say my ban e wo mu a say be won sa wo mai ni nya enti enya say cause enka me am botom me say me more pressure da me so pa na me knows me nimpa so say maybe o see
the same language me boa ma yaye me hwe ma yaye meye
different.
Pina me ba me
different.
She health minister.
Na original platform so far now canvas na probably be
actually she health minister. Obi akwatra the constituency. No year campaign.
She sir.
Na yeah ma kwakwa ma menu fi parliament. No na Ghana yen dey. O say chemi nsabu nsuko onko ye mpre enya possible. Yama yele kire ko. Bag me crowd on cross or say ye ma brains akese na hori na akwanta fe be hwe animu no. Na ye afofofo nko ana fe. Wan konye speaker onu so nim ade animu a na parliament betoto apapa so. No way, it will not happen. It will not happen.
I need delegates no. Charlie, I complex o enye
that be SSS. On him captain. Send ye kind of a no.
On one party chairman credible you know on April.
Tio.
On one party chairman. Enye is say na ohunu no. Say MP kwadi loan. No the talker. Na MP enu achi ani na ma ya.
Ya manaka yenim say loan.
Yes say ya manaka. Enu nko a tumi mo bi ka say na me so meba. Nti ema na sika na ye de hyem no so obi o ha nyame anim no kure ni wanka ni ye say they content but no kure ni nyame anim pa eba nimdia enipa bi wa nsese nkomo parliament. Nsese nkomo parliament. Ye o ko shemra. Na say wanka say you don't even have control over the language. Mra no be say.
Now, another bit of the other side of it.
Let me introduce Honorable Fuseni. He's Okaikwe North MP, and also a member of the Finance Committee of Parliament. When you're
and the northern side of the N1 or La Paz, so interfere both one. If you give, in fact, game pana here, maybe I'm I also was for an Kokata Hotel.
The constituency, the first air-conditioned church of the Church of Pentecost is here.
Hey,
so only teacher living a contest here. Anyway, budget then right kind. Come on. Yeah. Ben. Uti.
Mitie kakra.
O de o te se mutimi kan tie ndem yeah. Makan kakra fine.
Mitie kakra.
Na mduru fia me wie.
No na wo nyuma ba ko mi enu ntimi antie ni nyina. Ni amenya ye no so doso 284. Me kan ha na yam se san kwhwe ha.
Yeah.
Kan ha doso. Ansa na ebetumi on say parliament nankasa as institution no kura will take about a month or two when they are discussing.
Drew social development programs, you know, page 181.
Wow.
I think 181 or 182. Social development program.
We nanka minyaya makai menkai but page 188 public safety
188 and they mean Drew
public safety sector.
And a Trump and the Drew operation get away from the street for better life, or the hashtag be share baby. I think let me look for it. 181 182. Yes, operation get off the street now for a better life. Hashtag and 1 year debeko. We will get off the streets for a better life. I mean, Kakrana would say, and now who say any highlighter when you're near the end.
Well, only say, maybe a chum say,
but your mamma deal we answer. Producer, but your one ever representing NDC or my asemo, but the mail listeners, then you was or Mumbai. Yes, I am through, but no my. Okay, but your Dwaso.
Could you maybe a chum affair? Not as a MCC. He have a 2 near them. That was the first but annual budget tier minister say metoto a 2 tax one yantum enti eno de a year na I have a problem. Say, document in all kind the intent. At the papa. But me from the public policy perspective, the implementation is where I have a problem. Enti afibia aban wo adwempa we say budget here expected income as against expected expenditure and projects. Enti se sikado do a ye esusu se ye be hia ne de aye sa enwuma we nyina no e be yiri ho apesika no de aye adwuma na ankoba ne se ye nya ye be si hospital about 3 weeks ago me call asante be kwai we hospital pa isi won fe pa ye nya nshas ye nyusu ye e budget yi mu nti if we are going to have the well power say ye be hwe me ye wie na nienti a ye see hospital nipa e won patamu no anya so mfa so a all good but se ye be ne fefe se e de akoto ho na ye nhwe se ade na ye ka se ye be ye ya ye ma na sipi no eno na I am no problem. Now here baby pa de say awian kwanta oboase kwan. As a man kese kwan bi wo ha udu ha enye photos bi o man host. Enti the intention is good but let us show commitment. Now last week senior me kan ha no anka ye members of parliament so enfo mani ni akire say susu ampa ban wo ka say obeye ade we ni ade ntina ebia ebedu June ye nyan sha asempo ne yakowie nti yema ya nim koho especially with the implementation but otherwise da niema bi say also inflation akofo me ma me a otie kurase ana me na wo me krom inflation on tiase nyo no ope hu an se sisi a ebia niema bo stable ana say akofom but say niema bo kosoro a say inflation akofo mo say GDP no eno e brofo omo akọ school omo minua bi otima ase ebia onte eno ase nti yanhwe se budget nsusuye is an expectation but yanhwe se to come into reality na omamma no yenho enhare ye niam keteketi a ye behia no because me no kan oha somewhere last year hospitals are akamwrem bebre nti sa benya opepa se obekwa akowie ade ba ko amasan hu ni se onse ye nhyeda ni national policy se aban bi continuity kroma ni ha oman ha se obi ehye bibi ase na wanwie na ofi aban mu a wanhwe na akoka muram edan ya president kofo hye ase a MPP for the fee power ebesi ne sadan ye wie affordable housing edan ya professor Mills time ye hye ase nanka oba no nko betumi atoa ni anka president kofo hye ase no so ana omko ye different one president Mahama so esan ko ye different one na ni nyina ye oman ni sika nti we ko ye ne de na we ya ne that's another debate say me ba na me betoa ne a obi aye so e be ka say me ba man fa hwe ama wo hu na me ba so me the manifesto na ba nti me manifesto na nti what becomes of the existing projects are enye completed na sika na say because project bi wa akojo say e sha ase na ewie ya okay ba ko bi ye em say professor Mills library also okay say e sha ase na ye ne ntema e bi ya nke ka be wo ho no e be less since e be jama na si nwuro mu ansu ato abo na say ne ma ye wi ania sika e sese ye san de ko shem no anhwe na akoye double enti as time goes on no budget na nka say e be kan na ya ti ase then we can look at it sector by sector. Until to begin with, these are my initial comments.
That's it. Honorable
Captain, anope me chia wone doctor ena me chia wete for so. Me teach you omo me persuaso o kan kwenof. Anope nso ato ye me bompa say no unfortunate incident bia ebeka obi e constituency ho. But anope ye ha share 2020 budget finance minister ebe gina mampenyi anemu ewo parliament enra o present e kire na budget de akoye se afibia ye beti se ye ready budget senior doctor ekan ye no me mofra se first budget me tie no na anke Dr. Kwesibotwe o bekan ya na obia nka me abofra kra be 6 years kra no ye beka obia no ya betina radio echi because our budget mo no o be kire petrol bo o be kire milk bo o be kire emu ebo baby amedia me started at budget ni na wo hwe baby a ye fi in the early 80s a me media mete ekusi ena nyame adom ne mpempenso amabedui on sensa kraya babebre na besi ne no so ehia so pass e bekoso a demystify no me hu ayi ye wo budget no ho no a eche say amanfo ente esuro ni hu a wo budget no ne bekoso ayesa na budget no ne nan mienso ba ko ene afie da yenimi a ye hwe enim no sika ebeba aban futuom ehe ene befi abana sa ehe ena aban ebenya efi ebenya se sika no de beye mpuntu adwuma de betu adwuma efo a ode bema makro no etimi akoso senia ekono anase etimi akọ enkan de atoso mienu se sika iba eden na aban ede se sika no ebeye de atoso miensa sika eba aban futuom ene de ode ye no eye pepepe ana se etosin a meka se etosin a se sika na eba no enso de aban peso de eye na enye de che se ye revenues no ana se de eba na etosin nti ye obi a friend deficit nti ho no e was aban kire se sa deficit no aha na make of sika no na media besi se to kro na da budget no se surplus so a na aban beka se surplus na beka no then ye ebeye oh de kika ko oh de kika ko me ogidie pa se one day yeso ye bedu ho aban bi atime edu ho nti de kika ko nti enra finance minister bae no osanso emaye de 2019 at least ebesi September ye sika GM senior ye spend sika no ena senior tosin anase surplus no my deficit situation no so na 2020 budget no enye afi na ye beka macroeconomic indices although macroeconomic indices ni nyina di eboa aban no hwa the rate at which the economy is growing much better as since senior yen ayewo NPP amama since that time ye be take over na enra no Oma penye anem senior ye Minister of Finance was kabe ebedwemu no obaye no opeso e Ghana 40 ade a NPP aban since I ban abem from 2017 no ya ye ama Ghana for sabe ye twen Ghana for adwen akoniam bi eso enu enti ene yebu man say omanfo ebenya ye ho emfaso yebu man say time a ye de man yi ahye ye nsem no nya ye beye Ghana for ebenya ho faso enti wo hwe ye flagship programs see ebi da bia kan see yes free searches na mo dia mobile free enokre omo ebie ni wiase a etimi etumpon nipa ewo sa mem no omo sebe omo nititie eboa mama no akoso enti ye de education ene senior ye be ya mabu ye be mo skills ni omo ebe prepare omo ho senior be ya da achi bi no omo be ye assets amama no ende ye ntwentwam so kra enti o start free SHS o start free SHS o kai awofo omo se obi bia ana se omo ma ewo SHS nde no omo ma ewo SHS nde no sika aban edi ahye SHS mu a anka enya free SHS a anka omo betu school fees no me de eba forma e bia oba eko SHS a obetu abe 5000 esan say free SHS ye free eneni nti auto track ne chobos epe gari eche mu ana oba eko school uniform enye odadwen de ebeche no enye odadwen it's a big cry oba use cry na enye odadwen na ohwa within the 3 years no sika anka enye SHS no nye free anka awofo etuan 1.8 billion eno ena Ghana for enya emfaso was a flagship policy ya aban run ohwa ye beka na abkodie ohwa nursing training sika ye di ahyemu 336 million teacher training 357 million. NAPCO for 840 million. Ni nyina no eye omanfo e wo mem enti ne ebuman enti emfaso omenya esinsa ye ba power no na ye ka kire o enti initially no de make say eno a budget a ye kan ne de eye Ghana fo ho budget ene ye kan ye budget a kire o mo say ene yedu na say so ene ye bekoso so a osan kan nyama bia eda yenim anase how anasa ahokyere bia oman ewom na senior aban no ebeyi yen efisa how no ebi ne den next year election year ya yenim say elections so de enafo o share Ghana for ebose sika bia electoral commission ehia obema next year election no etimi akojojo se senior mrebi atwam ya no o share Ghana for boss say sika no obe make sure say easy ensa ebeka next year ye population census ono so obo so say obe make sure say easy ensa ebeka enye easy but statistical service benye sika betimi ayesa population census no eno echi no ye energy situation da bia ye kan say ye ba ben mu na there's excess capacity aye ken ye can say Ghana say your installed capacity be 4,700 the ye use at peak period be 2,200 and just say 2,500 capacity be wo ye use ye tua hoka and also afibia no ma ye say sika $1 billion wo so Penyana Musimu for Minister of Finance, Ebeche, I say, Parliament, dear Abai ya fahu, negotiations or omo almost started, and IPPC almost started, say, Omodio Mufidi, Ninyama Egu Aquemon, Yabeka Chomso, Omo Chanso, Omo was here to me and any omo negotiate, a ben negotiate, and Yamkania, so Omo my son, dear, a bit to me, the Iania home faso, and in Yaso Ochre, and no budget, and a dear, one of the kind say, a exceptional say and ye di amana abafom now training now be mienu miensa ye da yinimi ye so ayete mrahye bedwam no ye behwe sectors ni nyina so e de omo de beba omo be meet the appropriate committees ye behwe ekosi say ye be approve budget de say ya asempa pa enra yate asempa na menu afo so me ma akwa baba studio
ono we recafo Amenfi West MP abedru me sure say when information in term kono ampa konye late
me nga menya late
me nim say when information in term
menya but me ko another program me say be start 9 me so to
okay
fache me say me ntesa me de me point
and then tell me kasa wo ka wonye late I know
me ntia na me ntia tie fo nyina me say Amenfi West for
but I'm sure you are very happy about this good budget.
Afo ba yon tia
mame mba be chama kama se mame chire video isa MP abradi opa maka je say atro nimdi odi atonda no na wo so
Unima trodi
ya ka je say ko ka de de obo ka sa no abradi opa so madam opa many doctors of the chair one of me obi am feel was for. Let me go straight to the point.
Go straight to the point.
Captain Pay, me rewo kakra wo interview here. Woni mami bi oso ye Ajia.
Ajia diza.
Also na kaya yi for president. Captain Mesro.
Monya microphone here.
This is a big platform. Oh, Adom there. Adom. Oh, in this big platform na so I am coaching ne kakra. Ne kasam. Oh, because which make us a former president? Onkonkodo Asondwe Park. Why do you have to say that? Man, you happy no? I think that most of Ghanaians are not happy. He's a former president. And the next president. And I don't think that say ja ubia kwan no be kind of pay actually former president. No. I wasn't happy. Mama no tell me I'm very careful.
Oh.
Pa, let me use that way. Won wo kan wasama kan wasam abani say obaba si ho sama kai fu afan obet me say fine president but want to me refer no to the former president. Excuse me. Mami go straight Uncle, we won't free. Fancham. My uncle street. Andra, yeah, the estimates. And yeah, by estimates, at our parliament. Ebe can't trade the whole Ghana. And you 275 MPs no kwa. And Dwaso Nsem captain say nimpa e kasa match wa. Wo hwe ni dimina. Hwe the way man all kasam no. Hwe ajudge for aya enye case no kwa na aya umde bu atan yo. Wo be gina da kanima. O hwe consistency. The way man wo si kasam no. Wanim ubi bia. Na nkofo na omota wachi no. Omo reaction to Nsem na wo ka no. Aya na echire bibia. Na hope say Andra oba hobi. The course or a demo. To me, the communication, the chairman say, do or kasa. But people think say it's the same old story. Enti yenja mo kasa we are then ibeja no kwa manako. That's how I saw the whole thing. You see, Ghana fought for Obama MPP, and perhaps the two of them said they had 920,000 vote difference, getting to 1 million. Oh, maybe side of Yamokan, Mamma na and Bibiso, Anthony Twaba de Mao. Say, Obeka so didn't hear Captain na Ejina, Asama, one I can see the way Hamono, sanity, as someone I can see. Enti, sound like a summer see, that's a drew. And that's a one, yeah. What did you hear more? Next time, look at some be on tea. 2020 estimates, ne statements, ne budgets, no figures. To me, Ghana for what? But Ghana for perhaps may say your old story, unless it has come to reality. Adom cancer. Ghana ha major problem hapa. Any Juma. And Kwada omu free university every year ever out by national service after 1 year no omu ba job market I be seeking for jobs employment averagely omu 40,000 people from universities and polytechnics any other tertiary institutions Juma want some de ehia pa the so best one district one factory in Ghana for. But as we talk today, Kwadani na titifie enim say employment is a problem in this country. Amount me media budget I was expecting to even hear say one boy come. So I'm in few west. You see cocoa processing factory back on. At least enye large scale crumpa kakra bi say a year even 1 ton a man crumpa at least I would have appreciated the potent. Yet ye ho ba kon kra in the Ghana focus so do hwama I no correct one village one dam at the northern sector of the economy what is happening there do we see it
200
yes say yeah the 18 months no village in this country will be in short of water. What ensure a problem on Ghana and toilet facilities. I'm in few words. Maybe I'm giving the example. Go there and see. You grab your cost to be a pensio, MP pensio. It's a problem. What is happening? $1 million per constituency. I can recover for me here. I can no problem. Last 2017 March, you read the budget we be fear her captain. Because you even challenged me. It took producer and say for you to prove you wrong. Say I'm paying. Yes, say 1 million per constituency. No, or no be na de babaye one desert one factory. It was in the budget statement. You even challenge it because let's say I didn't try best I do it with that's it. But it was later proved. Okofa be chrom already here. Also, honorable, you are right. That make what you say.
Now, what do you say?
Was it? And I find a buy. I can make a pay myself and so I be so.
1 million per constituency.
And I can make bomb my buy. No, I find a buy. Go to Memphis West.
On your IPF project.
Nothing. Nothing.
No sanitary facilities.
Nothing.
No water.
Nothing. I'm telling you.
It is not possible.
I'm telling you.
It is not possible.
I'm telling you. And assuming say most Abia other districts no crime and not consumer cry. Fine. Because what can say when you deputy minister do man in farm mountain to na academica. What you say? Eti the mama come asem. Dem can say it's not done. Yawaha. Yes say Ghana e mobusia. Sika wa ha. Yesi mobusia Ghana ha titi sika so. E kom di yen. Sika so e kom di yen. Abana ajebusia dodo 122 billion Ghana cedis. But a legacy debt from Kogisberg time. Ene dema abanko ni otuabi, ni ajibika ni akọ ni otuabi 122 billion. Andra, I was amazed to hear the minister saying, say, Yabobosia 85 billion. Serious? 85 billion in 3 years? Compared to 122 legacy debt?
You were amazed.
Amazed. Surprised. 85 billion Ghana cedis. What is there to show? What is there to show? Akwai Ghana nyina. Ateti apro amantam.
Don't go there.
Akwai ahodo a NDC aban. Yes, I say yeah you fear bem. Ni nyina ko negative 100.
Dividing 85 by 5, you find $17 billion.
Me the minimum one calculation. Me no can you, Papa can me the minimum can. What you say? So what is there to show? Akwai Ghana nyina. Oh, my family petition number. Me call for na I go for no my demonstration every. So we are. Yes. Nananom Mpensenpensenmu West Traditional Council. Nananom sorry, abom from Ntima, Omochacha mu omondamu. A demonstration. What 85 billion? Wunim. You another 3 billion craba yan fan ka ho. 3 billion. By now you say from this time to December, sub bond no be raising. You were there yesterday.
I think.
Uncle about 16 billion. As we on upon can let's talk about 85 billion. Oh, nti dey make you na say, Captain. Eyareho. San someone na yeka say. Ye ne NDC for we think say MPP wa fili Ghana for. And some of kind no money so. Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, in 2016, will make a statement. O say, Papa Nbro for can utumi kesi sudia pa. O say, obesi me kamasem. Obesi 350 new secondary school from the scratch. What does it? 350 new Mama Kamasam. Bago said not mercy. Oh, these are certain things we were expecting the finance minister to speak about. No maka hunyina. So that the be say, oh, abano ekaso beye say. Na me de ehia me pa as we talk today. Any koko na aka nwuram no. Captain, in fact, Mpensenpensenmu West, the leading producer of cocoa in terms of districts, cocoa districts in Ghana. I did a crime. I'm a contract. a contractor no na aban every so aban for fraba ya stop a contractor 3 good years ma koko ahodo nyina aka bush bisan say so bi wu na say ye ko akosie dipa na say the frada ka na ye ko almost 12 frada ka you so frada ka almost by 9 kilometers the bonina amemfi was for yedi baby didi ho no yes yes e kwa na nyen nti na meka ho asem
nti can't me call
ka ma tractor can't me call
ekofa emu
koko metu mfa na emu koko metu mfa na emu Osre, I'm telling you, this is what is happening in this country. And therefore, you put money in the pockets of people.
Okay, what's
Well, the captain, and the person make us a cosocatra. If you are running an ajumana, because we read budget na makuma bomb penny.
Who read here?
We read makuma bomb, sir, because a lot.
Areas bear.
Areas make us some chilawi.
To in a womb. And then you sank a sebum.
Yes, who read baby? I do the sank. We say yes. Pay their manifesto. The guy for you from what I make once my channel.
Okay.
It must show. Send this for a casse. A banwe. Why you 419? Into Facunyano Swa. You deserve. Say it. Mpensenpensenmu.
First one, a farmer and a famine carried for say. Snapchat being 25 years. Now, we are Jumana 25 years, and I just say Jumano, I couldn't me pa. Now, and on a NAM so 44 branches all over the country, 300,000 satisfied clients. Near 20,000. Yet, show me come first one bit my yen Juma, discover bomb, but 3,000. Then, no, no, you introduce this Snapchat mobile. No. Put me to Sikatum, baby, check your balance. Now, what now, chrono? We dial *718*44 hasha. You know, call Freya 050-139-0954. Star Assurance, oh, and some major and how I dream. A journey, the tall fire service from Bebo. They said they are quite no lungu munchimoncano. 510 and no grew no bumble better from. Did you turn the bossy? Kokonyonyo sa obaba bedru no hwe ya na jana haw ti bomodi na bo ho ban na hu se Star Assurance benwa na chese wonya pamasi brepa Star Assurance your solid partner pacho bomodi na share so withholding taxes ni nyina senka utua in October 2019 by 15th of this month kutua wa wonim se wa mfa nkwa asembeton pacho kona kutua se ye sika ne de aboman ne ho bra. Commissioner General and Sana Shadi Ase, Domestic Tax Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority. Self-line so papa no pembam dem de baye ayewa chajama me kama e boy dwuma papa Ghana's first and only true 4G LTE network. Na bundle no mo dia ba ne de and de bosume ba ko ni nyina betimi aboa. And they are friend always on bundles and self-line diaba with the bomodia call so per route to so per my file kona kwajo wode e be boa mo timi shopi pa self-line shops in shell shops na express pay any e-transact slide pay Haptel ne Koba electronic platforms ni na so no wetimi at the ato self-line a pure unlimited bundle that never stops. Self-line, it's about time. Mpensenpensenmu Cecilia network no and one ho be kasasa ensada say credit no toy na yabo ho ma o toy na yabo ho o toy na yabo ho 200% near the amount me pacho memfendi agro MTN we day for you me who say na honorable church pa time na honorable recover kasa
say na me hete no honorable when na dru na some can when na dru no no what dru
captain
It's honorable
recover there. Okay. me who no say oye abrantie pan kan no credit nka anya dia senia anope you address kama wa share 3-piece suit and na adodan kwakufu ado che senia ma ekoyi amana tinyama ekoyi amana no nka nyama bi okeka no me susu say ko betimi aka okay nyama bi efa say you can see ABC school numbers bi. I can't verify because me name the all canon. Because mean to me, unless of course, obeti me approve say o manpenyi e cancer. But the yantwe adwen ko baby so sometimes eba no school ko ne expansion enye necessarily say ye besi a school fufro ansa yetime I improve nipa dodo o mutime ekosuku ebi ni e-blocks omo e kan say omo ABCC omo share Ghana for ebo say omo be shi say 150 or so bibisa na omo be fi abem mu na me nya sure square say na 30 omo wie captain dem say o je to so crack all round ananya sa e ko hwehwe de omo si asat enra me who headline be I think was one of the national dailies say and that the government of the new patriotic party yetimi ewie 27 additional e-blocks
propaganda question propaganda question parliament
I want to ask that question
Dabi
oh okay
one of your MPs asked that question
now Adom don't we have right to ask questions yes it was right to ask questions
yes we are 48
there be at various stages and then the captain war yipa the mu wie no the mu wie no say 17 or say the mu wie
no you see almost 71
let me make my point
123
my point honorable
almost 71
yes sir now
go to constituency but
yes sir but yeah
71
here making one and the e-blocks here can one school placement grab by some locations of e-blocks in Ukraine. I didn't even opt to select those schools. My mom e-blocks a big basin the cry being in school because some person beko person schools. But they may change what you are say. And here say you BC school for. Typical example, Abraham Memorial University of Ghana between 1996 and 1999. Now student population about 10,000. I would do diploma, postgraduate, about 10,000. And now University of Ghana almost 50,000. But you see University of Ghana for our baby. And your facilities never hold any improve and bigger lecture halls and never see private hostels in this animal. And no MPP are buying air, kaya yes syndicate get fund 1.5 billion and no all the senior high school campuses there are projects going either I say dormitory classroom and as a dining hall across the whole country yes senior beya na achimota and can na 500 and a bit 2,000 now also eka or mine Eddie me deso say wo can say a free Nkrumah Gadgesburg bizu na yede aboboso na e san say e ye continue and say e bibia ababi aba no aba ni de noko projects be to say University of Ghana Medical Center abaye topical Ghana for aka ho ase bibi unim say ye phase 2 na unim so say yakoji loan yede ye phase 2 na say NDC aba na wabe committee into phase 1 na NPP aba no abeji ono so a continue baby a NDC started wono enye bibi kura nke wosan ke etina ha e ka say e na mobile e na magboje busia abekam e na akusi 205 governance is continual enti baby a moye eduye no moye phase 1 yeso ye be phase 2 sene be ya butaya yedi ACS medical center no ye betimde anya no kwa so menya university eno so eka ho enti senya ma ide enya bibia wo se me no kra betina ha ye be bobo e na also no so pass exchange rate kra so etimi ema total public debt no esesa say exchange rate no e move say 10% kra automatically unji 1 cedi on na unji $1 no kra etimi esesa the size of the public debt enti and ya public debt and say yama exposure yenya because enena aban bobusia na aban ekoje busia na $1 mu a aban exposed to foreign exchange risk ebia na making say $1 crab, but the sun say exchange rate in assessment na public debt ekoso. And then we share the size of our public debt, the local components, the external components, the domestic and external components. It's about 50-50. Yeah, but about 40-60. It's na exposure to external factors na e was ropa na die Kenya menua wayire ne ho na Amenfi East Nkwan yes akwan no enye Amenfi East Nkwan Amenfi West Nkwan o call pass ya so yakwan enye but ye wo kroimu pa na hu green book bi and ye hu green book bi na green book so ma ye Ghana akwan Green Book no so ma ye Ghana kwan pa o ma ye infrastructure pa nka no pay enso to ye me who pictures bi efi Circle Dubai Kwame Nkrumah de ni enim Kwame Nkrumah Circle no enka sika tutu duo ademo ye kan say chichiri die ya ye de e share Circle Dubai mu you don't expect say enka drainage e be a problem na ye chiro mu senya ye niama ufi Circle Dubai to aso abekwa kodu obeche bilamte and roundabout so yeah interchange wo ho be na o be miesa be na o miesa ne cattle so ye no ye ba ye ne first step in our third year yeah interchange you enye ho nkwa ukọ pokwa say so ekoso Circle Dubai you did it in your 8th year and Samutimi I Circle Dubai. Enti associate them anka make Green Book ya mo kansem kama ye kwan ni nyire anka na anka wo say la pass ni boy town ye kwan e say so e na mo ye sa kwan no e na within 3 years e kwan na abedu baby e edu dia and ye na mo ye wo asem e wo say ye bisam ye can road to asempa wo enra budget no ye can say contractors by 80% aban edi omoka no nyina no ye tu omo for the last couple of weeks no multi 2.2 billion bi I dey track contract for once ye me ye clear omo ye wie omo pe once the contractors no will go back Cocoa roads already ene Ghanaian times mo obeha ya advertising for Cocoa roads across the country and say ya there yes ye buy you understand ya na mo ye mo nyama na ke e wo se ye hwemu yi se se ye hwemu awie nti nyama kosopa me say afia da ye nimi o man penyin say accelerated community road improvement initiative already no kra no through senya mo Ghana fo nim say ye innovative I know through innovation ye this I know hydro yi buy through another innovation kra no this time we are getting the 64 soldier for no almost started share akwan enti akwan sem de no kra ba bia ye wo no enhyeda enye but ya kire Ghana for senia ye be fi ha akọ ba bia omo ene da so say aban eti say NPP e wo say yeti me ene omo eko o kan say enyuma so de anka ye kan anka ehnya de anka e wo say NDC for enya moral right kra nye e kan ejuma hu enra ye kan e wo budget mo say we have created 138,000 jobs in the public sector. Ebra NDC for enya kwenya 138,000. Me say public sector 138,000. Me say 138,000. Oh, bisa me na me your components ne. Na jai de oyen. Public sector we've created 138,000 jobs. But ne no krepa and say me am hum number no me am shim. Me I am share anything saying. Am I bia so eni ho a etime etumpon because its public sector is expanding. And then at this point I'll make Usha ye may any Ivory Coast population wise, economy wise, no crown. We are very Usha the size of the public sector in a country like Ivory Coast. It's 150,000 people. Usha Ghana there over 650,000 people. And no just a BB ewo. Be muno. Usha ye the structure of your expense. Enka sika ba futuro mu nya ye niama miensa ba ko etua ejuma aban ejuma yefo eka de duso etua yeka eni sihu eka ho de eka ho miensa statutory transfers to NHIS na ye wie pena bibiasa o man penyi ebe manifest state of the nation address oboade so e do 99.8% na ni nyina answer into the size of public sector enti ebra your position e ka che Ghana for say man yi betimi atompon just ankrankra ejuma yetimi support ankrankra ejuma eno ho ejuma ene ye enti ne de policy bit say one district one factory abano me wan say me nua afo etia or member of parliament say one district one factory and no who send your corner or every right so be file a question na enche bi kra minister for trade ebe ma update on one district one factory and also updates our budget no yes we have so far supported 181 companies and can honorable afubai or say ye wa ben move from 2009 to 2016 no yes we yetimi support to say 100 do say 50 oni me hu say omo de and yes ye ye can say one district one 1 million per constituency na ebi emma no me wan pa because the projects are dotted across the Ghana be bia be ko bia ye projects e ka amanfo a omo sample temu captain adwempo a ye di sa 1 million e buy na no say empre bebre no planning no every center obiti akra e no kire the amanfi west for ehia ho yes this time ye di 2 million be ma amanfi west for no omo ankasa de ehia omo a ewo baby omo no omo etimi enya ho e control no omo etimi aye ama omo ho enti ye de say sike ya na say be budget say sike ama omo ene wo hwe a true $1 million per constituency yes dams bako 200 Emma another 360 dams ewo different
200
yes 200 dams
completed
our hene I was him baby I can say be one district one factory oh, you don't expect me
no.
You don't expect say. Captain, I'll point you out to the place in the budget. I mean, send you out to me eco share e-blocks, you know. I mean, what you say we and some for you can be beer. More, you have every right to go on the floor and counting them. But that's a challenge I'm giving to you. You see, you 200, Emma, another 360 at different stages of completion.
200. One village, one dam, no.
Yes, one village, one dam. Yeah, 200 dams. Yeah, 200 dams. The minister also came to parliament.
Honorable, the minister kind of can be an answer women.
Oh, Trahana me kasi minima. As of say, my call physically, but enya me juma. The minister no so bekano. The minister no so bekano. Me.
Honorable.
Yeah, me too, Captain.
Honorable. What they come from?
Captain.
You be the last person no
warehouses. Warehouses. You see 50 warehouses. 50 warehouses. 50 warehouses for grains across. The store.
Honorable, everywhere.
Yes, warehouses back 50.
Honorable, what can say ma? Honorable patron, sir. Sema hina warehouse is.
Oh, Captain. And I'm say. Before I leave the studio, I'll give you towns warehouses in the BL. Before I leave the studio, I'll give you a list. And I'm saying before I leave, I'll give you towns warehouses in the BL. And
Honorable Metro. Warehouse is 50.
Of course.
And a 200 completed one village, one dam.
Exactly. And make also no. Na afo eka kukunse. Me yapa say.
Okay, from the budget.
Oh, Ekoko Asem no.
There be one village, one dam, 200.
Yeah, me quote from the budget.
And I will not hold you responsible.
It's in the budget.
And terms in person.
Now honorable Afo Eka Koko Sem. Me yapa say anope.
Because they say Minister of Special Initiative now can say dams now 150 in the Ashas here. To complete 200 name one.
Oh, but emredum. Time or cancer and it's a scene. Abia
na we figure na July
o figure na July
na some so say
on November and
no be aka wan wi
emero man contractors are doing different Abia no me have so pass honorable afo eka cocoa ni support the cocoa sector because menenya our parliament the akoso e cocoa sector no in the past by 2 weeks $600 million yadi beshe cocoa jumanum ekina abon bia ndwen ho saa 2010-2011 first time Ghana it produce cocoa over 1 million tons. 2017-2018 you reduce about 811 you expect to say and 2010 you tell me a year over 1 million and say I will say it me 1.5 million
on a bush I did
So
and some and na maybe ebene how we have treated that sector. Cocoa, unua cocoa ene ente ne china wo.
Mo motivate farmers no.
Unua cocoa ente 2010 na mo ba ya mo nya 1 million mo do e wa hwa mo ho no. Enye mo na mo ye yo. Eye enyum ehye papa o mapenyi kofo edito ho eno na ma cocoa no eso asa 2010 asa 2010 etime eso over 1 million
2017 GDP
etime oh mesa
end say ya budget
honorable afo ya branch agent
mesa GDP figure
no the man no be see now to wait me account
8.3% na mo kan
oh mama no see na account
NDC investment ene ma ba sa budget
oh
asma kan make be achiro
make cocoa asem
mesa make yes oil asem
me metiu
dem make want
koso metiu
mesa sisi a wajatu se me fa wasem na fa nye masema say 1 million metric tons of cocoa produced 2010-11 cocoa growing season.
So the of cocoa area and figures na me born in year
MPP because money say that there no and na eba yen so produce here. Is that it?
Yeah.
It's fact. Musumu gains na 2017. Musa munye nyina ka say NDC for na year. Mame
kan say yan kana. Mame kan chobi. Economy thrives on confidence. And a confidence no be ebenya confidence be economy more. It depends on the manager. So bia o manage the same company. Send you be no me so me be manager do say different into ne pa ko no confidence no wo mu no na be my investment no and bema investment aba anase investment beko into a different scenarios cry. The work no ebra ye ba race of government amanfo anase wiase nya enya gidie ewe mu say crow we pan catity super bi omuwo mu no enkrofo we omaba omo manage economy no say suban no efi ho sa corruption na ye dey Ford work contractors ni say nyama ni nyina efi ho enti yenya
what say
sa Ford expedition cars na eba with contracts ni say nya say suban ni nyina efi ho enti amanfo ye omaba omo ebe manage amo ebe manage economy ye wo gidie wo ye san say ye wo gidie ewo omumu nti eti me ma investment cost overnight enti the gains that we chalked in 2017 are our own gains but me catch you say cocoa dua untumi endua cocoa dua ene year 14th November e ma won take sa cocoa no in January it is not possible
2016
it is not possible
enti
and also doctors
doctor
Captain
if your budget number be na o say Yoko atumi recover 1.3 billion
back and then direct and indirect
no me interested in direct nti sikado do a akodi individuals ho yes ye pesika ayoman ni ye no ye me ni kosa anema me we mu na ho hia me o se sika enko kankofo ho na at the same time yes ye pe kwan ye pe we kwan e fa so a o se aban so man ni bre because sa budget deficit no on revenue collection o se aban man ni bre na aya kwa say one way near easy to get eno de na emwa ya kan so obi ya adwuma na so ye libra na ede onya 80 Ghana obi nya 100 Ghana. There are some people are no here official worker obetumi akote no as source ono osisi ni pay na ede onya 50 Ghana ndi obi nya 80 obi nya 100 Ghana ede a ekwan pen na sa nkofo no so that class how do they contribute to the consolidated fund or see me ni ko sade no
okay
na aban ma na hwe na inflation no na exchange rate ya kaka wo de osika Ghana sky enfan to ade America Ghana sky enfan to ade UK the first one exchange rate no ebeba from anase ebetumi maintain. Let's go into production.
Is it
see a producer young for yesika nkoto ade obabia enti the rhetorics are becoming one too many. Say planting for food and jobs. Me see say ninchechemu kra no there's a problem there. And sometimes I wonder say oh yeah dey na papa kra to me kan wan say to me nchechemu. Nti ministry no omuni PRO. Me kwa agreement say me kwa akoto 6. And I'm a minute catcher and say, me family ID card. And I'm then okay. See the ever told me the music I never told them if I was there be way dear a bind at the beguha. In this over to this I would the ID card about.
ID card media him.
Well, I use my voter's ID.
Because MPP ID card.
Oh. Agreement there. Oh no. Oh no.
What have you not
Enti say okan ya me cover ID card no omotoma me no okache say that a particular price I was coming to no yate so aban subsidize enti nipa hin nim how many people even know where they can buy the seats enti adena say ye but ye ahokeka na ye de ye no eni ho enye papa na enye de nya wonwa say hwe Ghana asase a tisu a wodumi de bibia wode besi ba bibia eyi na yetumi kokra tomatoes eni JNF desert ye kra JNF Burkina nti enye niwu yemi anim ko production ho na budget no kra anke disikadodo na again I'm happy to have heard Professor Frimpong Boateng say ombe dams sa ensuo na ye bie dam ne fi Burkina ebe be kunipa esenkofo ajapade no yenye dam ne emfa nya de papa since ebaba bedi yenya nti budget no de enema going forward ye be kan na enema again I saw something on railway tama ye was a hwini at the railway na Batakra dio go 40 tama
awaso
hwe tama eba Accra traffic pa obedi motorway na say railway or ha how many minutes are there back?
But railway ministry now are there.
More. They can do more.
Honestly, in the Fourth Republic, railway ministry are very proactive at this one.
I agree.
Okay,
we can do more. Especially
excellent.
We can do more.
It sounds like penny person focus on real internal critics administration. Edi obi I
think that's about time communications team
communication now has a problem.
More communication now because I problem.
I am the pass who say focus na e share hono. Sa focus na dey ejumo.
On about 2 minutes but Jura Plus awake mineral water and then so I say the brew. But you would come back.
Okay, I the mechanic say
kaka
2 minutes I make us.
Would kaka
May catch him in
come
honorable say Mr. Say I hear church on your mama's on Ramakan on verifying. Where's I? Oh, it's true. There be the figures 200.
There be also so much wrong near
I am speaking to the budget. I am speaking to the
verification.
David.
You turn your man say on can I say the asuman.
That's it.
Nyanya all human come.
What does it? Because
somebody's telling you what to go and say.
200 dams. Yes or no, guy? Completed. Which is not true. Oh, who can say now? Yes,
I refer you to page 4 of the budget. 50, Captain Saw page 4. Page 4. 50. Last paragraph.
On page 4. 50 warehouses. 50 warehouses.
And yes, page 5, first paragraph.
350,000 jobs in the public sector.
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Itemize them.
Yes, we will.
At the various agencies.
NAPCO. Right?
Well, did I make an say? You're very careful. 2. You see Green Book. The church will say NDC. You're acquainted. And you know, correct that.
Oh.
Chairman, a crab about your Green Book, ma. You see, anyhow. Yeah, Chairman, you say. It's ongoing now. Okay, no. Now, and the contractor no council. I want no. I beg you. You make a statement very right. Yes, see, I can't fear. Mama Casa was Western region. Western region. Because Green Book man. Yes, see, who free a Libo Johnson called Libo. Yeah. Green Book and him. Who free a venison Bogoso, no, Takwa Bogoso. I am free. Edico Safi. Any book name, yeah. What I say, but the best mechanic say, so what they acquire, I'm a contractor. Not so good, so, or to 2 amana, or yeah a lot of concrete works or yeah a lot of earthworks. Now say contractor any free so more than a year. That's in suit. I hear then say a quite negative, even negative. What I say? So what I'm saying is say I quite know saying I quite mujagu homanye. Kwana saying
say be grana money
contract. What I say? But the captain the say about way. Then everyone who say I quite at the opposition. Into the budget now all you know. That's all quite handsome. And I'm not being convinced. Simply because we have budget Nima. Wama road fund 1.7 billion Ghana cedis.
Don't go there. Don't even go.
Me. Oh, it was say. 1.7 billion Ghana
say you buy a road fund. Now mortgage road fund. Let's say about road fund mo.
Oh,
me I feel the paragraph by paragraph.
A couple 700 million if you have what do you call other sectors. Woman on 1 million.
Maminda Honorable Eric Afo, Amenfi West MP, and the Honorable Fuseni Issa Okaikwe North MP Oho and Afi Dr. Benjamin Otri Ankra. Pacho Mapon.